3D Matrix has its own version of spirituality and spiritual practices. Many 3D spiritual gurus, so called spiritual gurus, keep telling you, some practices that directly cause dependency and powerlessness in humanity. And one of those so called spiritual practices is breathing in all the positivity and breathing out all the negativity that you are carrying. I just personally hate this practice. It is fear based, it comes from an immensely selfish heart, and it makes you dependent upon the outer reality, the same reality you are feeling miserable in. And remember that if you believe that you can breathe in peace, love, calmness, and health and abundance from this matrix, this 3D matrix, then you are mistaken. These are higher emotions. You cannot breathe in from here in this 3D reality. You can only breathe in any way of fear, anger, negativity from here. And this is the nature of 3D matrix. This is the nature of 3D reality. Dear ones, remember that you are a powerful being, and it is you who can transmute every negative energy into energy of love in your system. You are a divine being experiencing life here, and you are not here to throw negativity upon others. You are an alchemist, and you consciously can transmute energy of fear into energy of love. Your heart is a place where you consciously transmute energy of fear into energy of love. The practice that I'm going to give you is extremely effective, and if you follow it without having any fear, it can immediately make your reality very positive and pleasant. Anytime you feel comfortable, or every evening, sit somewhere under the open sky, somewhere in the nature. Look at the stars, trees, people, buildings around you. Do not think specifically about a certain person who you do not like or who hurt you in any way, Just sit in the nature, connect with your environment, and by taking a deep breath silently, make an intention that you are ready to transmute fear into love, Now breathe in all the negativity, helplessness, fear, anger, hatred in the environment, and see all these negative energies reaching at your heart center. And the moment these lower energies touch your heart, you will feel very effortlessly all these energies, they will turn into an immense pleasant energy of love. Now you breathe out love in this world. Breathe in negativity and breathe out love. Do it repeatedly and make it your habit. Believe in your divinity. Believe in your inner alchemy. Believe that you are a divine feminine and you are here to spread unconditional love. It's your heart that, if touched by any energy, turns that energy into love. Believe in this. Believe in your inner power. So dear ones, this is how you transmute lower energies into higher energies. It's your heart. You do that. Nothing comes from your outer reality. You are carrying everything. Power, love, and unconditional love comes from within, It is you who make, who make love, You can do this. And you do this actually. So whenever you are being attacked by any negativity, do not do this that you breathe in positivity and breathe out negativity. Don't do this. It will never work for you. I'm telling you, it never works. And you just breathe in all the negativity, turn it into love, and then you will see that how peaceful you will feel. At the end, I want to say that I offer energy readings, and I also offer audio call sessions to guide twin twin flames. And if you feel guided, if you feel connected, you can subscribe to my Patreon page. You can find details in the first comment. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for listening. I love you all. Bye.